Okay, headshot scanning with the Sermoon S1. Okay, the body mode. The automatic exposure is working fine. Closer. Okay, I think I need to unplug the laptop. I didn't bring the Wi-Fi handle. So it captures the hair as good as the other. Let's go to the top here. Now I think it's work this time. Sorry. Okay, I think I can't scan here a bit more on the feet. With the laptop in my hands, you can't scan the hair in face mode. It's not going to pick up the hair. It's only pick up the face. But I believe that it's going to give more detail. Because the camera is closer. I'm trying to go on the side to scan the ears, but I don't think that will work. I need some overlap area under the chin, so I will overlap it with the body mode. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, let's check the result. Okay, this will be the scan that I made in the body mode. In the body mode, the S1 we use the wide angle camera, which is the same unit that installed in the Otter Lite. It has a very wide FOV and it contracts really well, so you can see that the hairs is all captures. And for the first mode, I think that I used the high precision camera and scan in a medium mode. Okay, let me infuse the point cloud. So it says right here that it recommends 0.3 for the face mode and 1.2mm for the body mode. Click on OK. Okay, here's the result from the body mode. The object moves during the scan. See, the position of the nose is shifting. Scan from the face mode. I think it looks okay. Defect from the eyelash. The skin texture is rough. Comparing with the other, and I cannot see the detail on the lips here. Let's try to align them. Scan 1 and 2. I start to remove the face. Click on check mark. And if I turn the face on, okay, so this should work. Okay, it should be good enough. I will mesh it and I will repair the rest using the Adobe Substance 3D modeler. I will choose 8 million. The max triangle is 2 million. Why is the limit maximum triangle just 2 million? Yeah, that's the maximum mesh that you can output from the infrared. Okay, let's compare it to a scan that I made a year ago. On the left, it was scanned with the Otter in the fast and medium mode with the same process. The Otter gives much higher detail in the fast mode when you still can't see the detail on the lips. And merging the face to the body, it's seamless. While the S1 you can still see the seam lines and the skin texture is very rough. Lots of details on the lips, nose, eyes and eyebrows. I don't have to explain anything, right? Because it already shows that the S1 is not suitable for a headshot scanning. Okay, this will be the model comparison between before and after repairing. They are a bit lost in detail from the file conversion between the voxels and the triangle. Okay, I made a filling under the arms. Okay, here's the result. I used 0.4mm nozzles. I still can see the texture on the shirt, but detail on the face, it doesn't show much. The model is only 12 centimeters tall. So if you are going to print with the FDM printer, Sermoon S1 in the infrared mode, it's going to give you enough detail. So if you want to do this as a hobby from time to time, but if you want to print this with the resin printer, you're gonna need to use the Otter, because the Otter can capture the face with more detail, much higher detail than the S1. And you should learn to repair the model, because when you are scanning human, they are going to move and you need to repair the ghosting from the scan. The other way is that you process the scan data after you finish the scan to check for the ghosting, but it's going to take time if you want to do a rescanning, and the subject usually unhappy when you ask them to sit still for the second shot of the scan. So the best way is that you need to repair it. The human is not static object, it's not sculpture that you can scan easily. So they are going to move their head, and they're going to move their shoulder and hands. So alright, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.